Hi everyone, good morning. Nice to see you again. You probably don't know because after my holiday you've seen a couple of videos, but all these paintings were recorded before my holiday. I've been away for 4 weeks and this is the first time in 5 weeks I'm picking up a brush. And I've got a new smartwatch here and my heart rate is 133. You can imagine, I'm nervous, but I'm always nervous when I start a painting. I think that will never go away. So today is just all about easing into painting again, and I just want to make a similar painting to this one, but then with this gorgeous deep blue base. So let's get started. I'm feeling more nervous now. Let's go with some water. All my brushes are dry and normally I keep them wet, so let's see how that goes. I will dip them in water. I will start with just some black, not too much, and then add some Prussian blue by Golden and some Prussian blue by Tree Art. You know, they're the same color, but they're not the same color. I think this should be enough. Let's add a couple of white drops to this, like that. I think this will make a stunning blue. Okay, so this might look black or like a deep gray to you, but it's definitely a gorgeous blue. I'm wetting this just a little. Let's go over it again. Okay, here we go. So now let's start with the first brush strokes. I've got a interference blue here, so I want to start with that. Let's see if I can still do this. Am I feeling less nervous? Ah, I am! 120 heartbeats. Oh, this is titanium white. Well, let's go with the interference white. It's gorgeous. Oh, let's go with the interference blue this time. So these were brush strokes with the titanium white. And because the background is still wet, see that gorgeous blue. Oh, it is a different blue. Do you see that? Of course it's a different blue, but I thought it would blend more. This is good. I'm a fan of this line. I like it like that. Alright, I think this is a stunning start. Heart rate still up. It's like I'm doing cardio here. Well, I need to train away all the cheese and the croissants and all the wines from our holiday, so painting does the trick. Let's start working on a flower here. Right up here. Do I want to keep this blue, very blue, or mix in some transparent red and yellow? Those are my favorite colors on top of such a base. So do I want to do that or just keep it? Let's go with some Prussian blue. No, this is not the color that I'm looking for on this. Is it? Let's just go for it. I already feel like this is not the right color, but do I want to keep it this monochrome? I don't think so. No. Let's just go with the colors that I just mentioned. The India yellow and some transparent red. These just work with this background. I'm gonna go for it. I'm not changing that lid. You see how gorgeous that is. Definitely makes this painting a whole lot more interesting right away. Not really feeling that. So I want to go fix that with some paint gray, and I still use the same brush. Let's build it up from here. Let's look at my heart rate. 110. We're going well. That's stunning. That is stunning. Love this line. I feel like going over this up here. And that there. Let's go with the paints gray and the red again. You like that? I don't know, I feel like it's all kind of more or less the same brush strokes. Now something needs to go here. Just one leaf up, and then I feel like bringing the stem down. Let's see. Enjoying this a lot. Really enjoying this. Look at that. That is a gorgeous one. Perfectly aligns here, except there. So I wanna take that part away with a smaller brush. That's gone. Kind of miss a leaf here, don't we? Yeah, then it's more in harmony, but I love this color play and I love how layered this is already. Oh no! I feel like I need to do more like that. Okay, it's good. It's good. Just that a little bit of this leaf is broken up here now. That's unfortunate. First, create this stem more here. I just drag it in there. Okay, that's good. That's gorgeous then. Now we got some greens going on because I used India yellow. And when it mixes with the blue, of course it creates some green. So are we missing some green here on the bottom? Maybe just a little. Let's just bring a little bit of green back here on the bottom. You know, I'm quite pleased with this painting. Quite pleased. I'm gonna let this dry, see if I'm still pleased or if I want to add to it. I'll be back.